What's your name? My name is Mohammad Afridi Siddiqui. Mohammad Afridi Siddiqui.
Yes.
And he's my classmate Abdurrab Khan.
My name is Abdurrab Khan. What is today here is happened?
Today we are presenting our exhibition SLC projects that we are showing. It is science department and also social science. Our project is dam project, hydro electricity producing dam. We are project. Let's come see here.
Let us come with me and show his.
This is a hydroelectric producing dam. This product energy. This is a dam which is built across the river. This is the dam which is built across the river stream to create a reservoir of water. And dams are used to regulate the flow of water and prevent flooding. These dams are helpful for the irrigation purposes and harvesting, and as well as water drinking purposes. And this is our classmate Nivedita Dubey. You can ask next question to the Nivedita Dubey. Please, mic to sir.
Good afternoon, sir. We are students of class 9 presenting our social science project, hydropower plant. Hydropower plant generates electricity by the kinetic energy of moving water. Hydropower is a sustainable kind of energy which is produced as it is a renewable source of energy, so it is sustainable. And we have made this model to demonstrate the way in which the electricity is being produced through the dams. Thank you, sir. So now our partner Shruti is going to tell merits and demerits of hydropower plant.
What is the merit and demerit of this plant?
Some demerits of these hydropower dams are construction and management of these dams are very expensive, and during the construction many people have to migrate, especially those who live in the forest area. Merits of these dams are hydropower is a renewable source of energy, and it is a clean form of energy that does not emit carbon, and hydropower is a reliable source of electricity also.
What is the demerit of this plant?
The demerit are it affects the aquatic life and the expense. It is very expensive for constructing these dams and its management.
It is not usually used in the populated area.
Sir, dams are mostly made in isolated areas.
Yes. What's your name?
Shruti Yadav.
ये आइडिया कहाँ से आया? ये आइडिया किसने दिया?
हम लोग वहाँ से आइडिया कैप्चर किया इसके लिए
अभी हाल ही में इसी महीने में चुनाव कहाँ का था? किस स्टेट का? इंडिया में। खाली बस किताबी कीड़े बने रहो। महाराष्ट्र में था, झारखंड में था, ईवीएम पर हुआ है प्रॉब्लम। ये सब चीज भी देखा करो, टीवी भी देखा करो, थोड़ा बहुत मोबाइल मत देखा करो, टीवी देखा करो। देखोगे? हैं? अभी हाल ही में कहाँ चुनाव हुआ आप लोगों को पता ही नहीं है। आप लोग इलेक्शन कमीशन बने हुए हो। What is your standard? 7. What's your name? You became a leader here in this department. So what happened here?
Sir, we are showing you the procedure election.
Process of election. What is the process of election?
The citizens choose their leader.
Their leader. You?
Sir, my name is Kazak Gupta and sir, Darren welcome you. Sir, we are showing the process of election and sir, in the process of election, as India is a democratic country, so every citizen has right to choose their candidates who will represent them. Sir, so this is the process of election in which there are two parties, AK party and National Unity Party. So in AK party, we will provide you every facilities that will help you. Sir, we will make a sewage system, the manhole, where the mosquitoes cannot breed and
What is your class?
so class 7.
Nowadays, you have seen in the newspapers and channels also, there is always blame on the machine of election machine.
Yes, sir.
No?
Yes, sir.
What is its name?
Sir, EVM,
EVM, electronic voting
electronic voting machine.
machine.
Yes.
So what you will tell us about blame when the population, when the public and the leaders of opposition parties always blame.
Sir, it is because it is the electronic device and we cannot trust on electronic device because it can be hacked any time. And sir, there will be a mis.
Then it will be hanged or not?
Sorry, sir.
It will be hanged or not?
Sir, it can be hanged because it is the electronic device. It is, sir, we can